All right, so one of the more common things that I like to have done on my car is to take it to a place to have an oil change, and they always come at you with all these other things that need to be done, and one of the most common ones is the cabin air filter. The cabin air filter is probably the simplest thing to change and the cheapest thing to change, but they're going to charge you almost twice the cost of the parts. So in this case, they wanted to charge $30 to replace my cabin air filter. Went down to the local auto parts store, went online with a 25% discount. You order it online, pick it up in store. Cost me $15 to get this particular part. This is for a 2009 Mazda CX-9, and almost all cabin air filters are virtually the same. So on the passenger side of the vehicle, typically behind the glove compartment, there is where you'll find the cabin air filter. To access this one, there's two little tabs. You'll pull down an access panel, and then you'll reach in here, push this tab, and then pull, opening the cabin air filter. Just pull your cabin air filter out, and as you can see, and this is what they would show you, it's very dark and gray, and that's what they're going to tell you is that stuff that makes it smell bad or affects your breathing. And it's as simple as just taking it, make sure that you get your airflow right, which in this case it flows upwards. Put it in there, close it back up. Put your plastic piece up, and you're done. And that would be a $30 service charge at one of your local Jiffy Lubes or Quick Marts or whatever. Cost me 15 bucks, took me less than a minute. One thing to make sure or to know about the cabin air filter, in no way does it do anything with performance of the vehicle. The second thing is, believe it or not, not all vehicles have a cabin air filter. So if you're at a Jiffy Lube and you don't know any better, they may come up to you and say, hey, your cabin air filter needs to be changed. You're like, hey, I saw this video on how to do it. You go down to the local parts store. They may tell you that your vehicle actually does not have a cabin air filter. So don't be hustled by those guys at the Jiffy Lube.